Welcome, my friends. In this video, I'm going to show you a little application packaging 101. I have an application that I want to install silently and without any interaction on my part. It's an application that I use for audio editing and manipulating audio and things of that nature. So this is a brand new computer and I want to install this so that I can work using this workstation on the road. So let's go ahead and get into it. I've just opened up the folder where I've got this install located. In this case, it's an executable. I've already gone ahead and looked up the silent install switch for it, which is pretty straightforward. It's just a /Q. So we'll go ahead and install it with that command, and it should install without me having to interact with it. So I'm going to grab the location of this executable and just copy it with Control C. I'm going to open up an administrative command prompt by typing CMD, and in the search results under the command prompt, right click and run as a click yes. I'm going to type push D, which is going to store the location that I copied previously, and hit Control V to paste that location. And once I hit enter, it takes me to that location. Now, since there's nothing else in this directory, I'm just going to hit tab and it's going to bring up the executable. Hit space /Q, hit enter, and that should automatically install this application. And it looks like it's finished, so I'm just going to minimize all of these. And I see that if I click on the Windows button, I've got SoundForge Audio Studio in my menu. And I'm going to right click on that. And actually, I'm just going to run through this menu, go through more, open a file location, and then I'm going to right click and send that to the desktop. And close out of that. And you can see that the application has installed and it's prompting me to go through an additional set of setup. So that's pretty much it for the application packaging 101 basic. In further videos, we'll go through automating the process even more in regards to customizing the install and even adding in the serial. So go ahead and wrap it up there, my friend. Let me know what you think, man. You know what I'm saying? If this is something that interests you, especially those people who are watching on help desk, and you want to get out of help desk or desktop support, this is the way to make that happen. So get at me. Let me know if you need some help with this, and I'll be glad to connect with you and give you some instructions.